movie. Don't take your love to town. What up, guys? Taking my love to the mailbox again today. On our way to my hometown where the mailbox cash is at, guys. We're actually here, just arrived. Let me teach you guys something real quick. There's a training in in the membership room. In fact, I don't know if you guys know this, but I actually have all my trainings from 2017 in there, all my trainings from 2018 in there, all my trainings from 2019, and what we've done so far in 2020. Especially what you guys get with the junior $25 per week membership. It's also a 100% commission program, guys. You actually get paid 100% commission for every member you bring in. All you do is promote our sales video, and it brings people in. And they want to be in the program, guys, because they get to do it too. They get 100% commissions as well, guys. You basically make $25 per week per member that you bring in. That's $100 per month. Per person, guys, per member. You only need 20 members, and you're making more than your job is paying you. Say it with me, guys. That is stupid. Because it is. This is so simple. Link is in the description if you guys are interested in checking out the video of how this program works. But it's really that simple. You use our softwares, our traffic softwares. Anyway, let me teach you guys real quick before we get to the mailbox. You guys like that? That's a bed and breakfast now, guys. It used to be a Civil War town, man. They built this town after the Civil War where all the generals came together, north and south, and actually kind of lived here together. There's a lot of streets named after generals like Lee Street and stuff like that. Anyway, let me tell you guys about my exit strategy. There's a training called exit strategy. Basically what that is, guys, is how much money do you need to make where you can go home? You don't have to do this anymore. We get caught up with guys in hustling, right? Day after day after day after day, trying to make money, trying to make money, trying to make money, trying to make a sale, trying to make a sale. Guys, that you will chase that. It puts you in the chasing mode, if you will, if you can understand that. You don't want to be in the chasing mode, guys. When can you stop this? Is it 2 million? Is it 3 million? Let me explain to you how it works. Basically, here's how it works. Hold on, sorry about that, guys. Some lady just stopped in the middle of the road. All right, we're here at the post office. We got some more mailbox cash today, guys. I'll tell you about that in a minute. On the pro version. The pro version is off the mother trucking chain. I don't cuss no more. Mother trucking. Let's go with trucking. It's off the chain, guys. Okay, so exit strategy is how much money do you need to make before you can finally say, hey, you know what? I don't have to go online no more. I don't have to go to social media anymore. I don't have to advertise anymore. I don't have to try to beat a sale no more. I don't have to do this anymore. So what you want to do, guys, is this. Can you live off of $50,000 per year? That's what you want to ask yourself. Could I live off $50,000 a year? Most people could, right? The average person actually don't even live off $50,000, right? The average person is what? $20,000 to $30,000 a year, and that's it? And are able to live off that? Okay, so let's just say you could live off $50,000 per year. So what you want to do next is, how many years do you think you possibly have to live? Is it 20 years, 30 years? Well, what you want to do, guys, is let's say 20 years. Like I'm 50 years old. I'm probably going to go out at 72 or 73. I think that's where most of my family is going out. My mom, my dad, they were like in their 70s. So if I've only got 25 more years, let's just say I only got 20 years just for simple math. What you want to do is you go 20 times 50,000 a year, right? Which is what? That's only $1 million, guys. So I literally could come online, make $1 million freaking dollars, and be done with this. I could literally be done with freaking marketing. Now, guys, that's what I did. I don't know how many years ago it was. What, 2006? That's what I did when I was able to quit work in 2006. We had enough money to where my family didn't have to worry about money for the rest of our lives. That is the exit strategy. All right, let's go ahead and get this cash. Love you guys. All right, guys, what you guys doing on a coronavirus day? Hey, that's my mailbox. Ain't no train today, guys. Where's the trains at? All right, we should have one in here today, guys. This is for the pro version. Let's go up front, guys. It actually said it was delivered, but they ain't got it in my box. We're up front, guys. They said it was she just put it in there. So let's go take a look. Okay, thank you. Big one. Did y'all hear that? That's cool, huh? Good Lord, that's a big old mill there. I don't know what I should put there. Alright, so guys, this here is the pro version of the Mailbox cash program. We have a junior version that's $25 per week if you can't afford the pro version. The pro version is $2,000, guys. We sell a residualzilla. Oh. We sell an automated traffic program called residualzilla. Now, the automated traffic program is a $2,000 product. It's a just a one-time investment of $2,000, and you guys get to basically use that. You can put it on your own server. You buy the automated traffic program. Now, the automated traffic program, guys, is freaking phenomenal. If you guys haven't seen what we're doing with that, that's one of our major secrets on traffic, on why me and my crew, guys, you guys keep seeing my crew making money too. This is why we all use the traffic program, guys. This automated traffic program is a big deal. So what you can do with that now, you can go to thisisnotmlmpro.com. Thisisnotmlmpro.com. It's a generic site. You can go to that site, guys, and look at how the residualzilla automated traffic program works. Phenomenal. Now, if you're in an MLM company or promoting other products, clickbait products, or whatever you're promoting, guys, it doesn't matter. You can use this automated traffic program, residualzilla, to promote your products. I mean, guys, you're talking about thousands and thousands of freaking clicks. At least go, if you ain't got the money, at least go watch how it works. Save your money, guys. You're going to want that. That's our big secret of myself. See, guys, I don't come online and just do things for nothing. It didn't make sense to me. So I had to create programs that created traffic. My Facebook account got shut down, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago. I was making money hand over fist on Facebook, right? If you can pay for Facebook ads, guys, it's like a no-brainer, right? It's like it's traffic. Not free traffic, but it's traffic. And if you got a converting offer, guys, you can if you just send traffic to it is all you do. If your offer converts, you get rich by sending traffic to it. So paid traffic is freaking duh. Well, my Facebook account got shut down for some unknown reason. I don't like us marketers for some reason. Got shut down out of nowhere. So I actually had to come up with something. So this is where residualzilla came from. I created residualzilla, the automated traffic program, to start sending traffic to my products. And that's what we do. Okay, so that's what this is, guys. So this is a sale. This is right here, guys, is an affiliate sale. Now, see, inside this envelope here is $1,000. Now, $1,000 goes to me, and $1,000 went to the affiliate that actually sold this product. See, so my affiliates make money, guys. So let's just open it up real quick. Got everybody and the brother out here looking at me. Uh-oh. Good God, you put it on. All right, let me put this down, guys. If there's any coronavirus on this, I command it to die in the mighty name of Jesus. The mighty name of Jesus. I command all coronavirus to die. That's how you got to do it, guys. That's how you got to do it. It's getting old. Okay. I'm not sure if there's a money order in here or a cash. This lady was talking about sending a money order for some reason and cash. Don't really know why, but it seemed like you have to do some extra work to do. Okay, so yeah, she did money order and cash. I see it in there. So let's figure out what we got here. Oh, we got a money order of $200. Okay. It's from Louisiana, guys. Is where this lady's from. Louisiana. Okay, we got a $200 money order, and so that means we should have $800 in cash. Brand new $100 bill. So let's just count it. 1, 2, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Okay, so 800 in cash, guys, and 200 in money order. So there's $1,000. I got $1,000. The pro version is a 50% commission program, guys. Because that's a big deal. My product's a big deal. So you guys get 50% on that. So you get $1,000 for every sale. Guys, you guys could trip over 100 sales per year. I mean, you guys could trip over 100 sales a year, guys. It's really this simple. Promote the product, and you'll get, over a year's time, you should be able to get 100 sales in a year. That's an extra $100,000, guys, that your family could have just by promoting the residualzilla. All right. Have a good one, guys. Love you guys. Good luck in 2020. If this is not your cup of tea, hey, I understand. Not everybody's into some of this cool stuff that we do. Actual cash. No fake screenshots, none of that. And I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the live meeting. We also have I got a guy right now, guys. You can't see this, but a message just came up. This guy actually found one of my old softwares. It's called the MLM Scraper software. He wants it, and he's asking me to get a pay link for it. I actually quit selling that years ago because I got tons of softwares, and I don't know, just got out of that for some reason. But I'm going to upgrade that software and start selling it again. It's called the MLM Scraper. It actually scrapes all emails from whatever MLM company you want, guys. You literally can insert whatever MLM company you want in there, and it'll go out in Google Land, and it'll scrape all the emails from those people that are in that company. That pretty cool? I think so. That's a bad software. All right, so I'm going to get this guy that software, and I'm going to upgrade it first before I sell it to him. It's an old version. It's got old MLM companies. I'm going to upgrade it to where you can just manually put any MLM company that you want. So that way you can put new ones. All right, love you guys. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys on the beaches pretty soon, hopefully. All right, see ya. God bless. Daddy should have used red, but it looked good to Charlene. John Deere Green. Now, why was I singing? Why was I letting that guy sing? Guess what, guys? That guy right there just died of the coronavirus. The guy that sings that. And for some reason, I can't remember his freaking name right now. Country singer. He just died. What the freak's his name? Anyway, if it's good, I'm going in the bank line right now, guys. Just waiting on this. Wells Fargo. I'm gonna put this cash in there. There you go, guys. Money order and $800. That's $1,000 right there. I just got out of the mailbox. This is not MLMpro.com. This is not MLMpro.com.